Yeah, time for y'all to hear from two of the greatest in the game. I'm talking AM, Britt Miles, Ric Flair legends in this game. Give me two claps to the Ric Flair. Y'all think they already did their thing with partying on Mars? Y'all ain't hear nothing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
It's the beginning, we already winning. We ripping like Jack, so you know that we killing. The flow is so cold that the bone is chilling. Just give me a minute, I'm feeling revisions, malicious, precision, destroy competition. The newest edition, to walk up and kill it. The war of attrition, we bring demolition. No need for permission, we never pay a mission. Hey, I'm a big dog, so I'll take the reins, spit flame like a dragon. Ice in my veins, up in the air with the planes, looking down at the planes. We're little grains, just trying to make some gains. Hey, the adventure's where we take center. Shout out to Rev Ron, he about to enter. Step to the mic, we're on no great pretender. Unbreakable raps, newest defender. Hey,
these two coming like acrobats, spitting fire, don't know how to act. Hitting bangers like back. Sorry, I stuttered, I don't know how to speak. Spit so much fire, like I ain't got no teeth. Read them boys making noise, y'all should've called the cops. Murdering beats in concerts, letting those lyrics drop. I'm so insane in the membrane. Spitting fire and body slamming, y'all fools is my game.
I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know that. I be on that right shit, I be way up. I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know way. I said now I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know it. I be on that right shit, I be way up. I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know way. I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know that. I be on that right shit, I be way up. I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know way. I said now I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know it. I be on that right shit, I be way up. I be on that light skin, I be on the top, you know way.
Number one. Number one. Ah, this is nice.
Hey, stickers. Ha! I'm sorry.
Whoa, you scared me. You gotta be careful.
I scared myself, scaring you, scaring me.
I mean, I wasn't like scared,
No,
but
of course
I was
not.
more.
No. It's just I overheard you talking to Mater.
When? You just now? What did you hear?
Oh, just something about a helicopter ride.
Oh, yeah, he got a kick out of that, didn't he?
Did you mean it?
What?
That you'll get him a ride.
Oh, who knows? I mean, first things first, I gotta get out of here and make the race.
You know, Mater trusts you.
Yeah, okay.
Did you mean that?
What?
Was it just a yeah, okay, or yeah, okay, or yeah, okay?
Look, I'm exhausted. It's kind of been a long day.
Yeah, okay. Night.
Hey, thank you.
What did you just say?
You know, thanks for letting me stay here. It's nice to be out of the impound, and it's great. Newly refurbished, right?
Yeah.
Night.
Good night.
Peace.